rep challenge, and Sarah is going to demonstrate bird dogs. So starting from her hands and knees, Sarah is extending her arm and her opposite leg. She's reaching forward with her arm, back with her leg, creating that nice straight line from her fingertips right through her toes. Sarah's added an oblique crunch. You can either add that or omit that. That's up to you. As long as you can maintain that control and you're not rushing through the movement. Make sure you get full extension of the arm and full extension of the leg. Now she's going to demonstrate the plank version. Notice how she's rushing through the movement. Her hips are rolling and it doesn't end well. So you want to make sure that you can execute the exercise properly. I am demonstrating the bird dog, and notice how my arm and my leg reaches up. I lack that nice straight line that Sarah was able to demonstrate. So from her fingertips to her toes, she's created a straight line parallel to the floor, maintaining control and engaging her core, her glutes, her shoulders. This is the extended plank version. It's the advanced version. You can try it. Just make sure if you're going to do this version of the exercise that you're able to control it. The hips are level. And that's day 9. 100 reps. Enjoy your day.